Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I want to presentation on about technology name is Codula. Codula is based on powerful Windows apps and wizard code. But before that, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Umar Dua. You can call me Umar. I'm from Nigeria, especially from device. Okay. First, what is Coder? Coder is some of problem online to create some Android apps without coding. In Coder apps, we can create our some apps or call for apps. We can do search gather some project in our people in other community. And in other problem is make our the users to easier make some small apps or similar thing to make some apps just the UI first make the others platform. Okay, for second there is drag and drop system. In drag and drop systems, in Federal have some code or some drag, drag and drop the code. And we in Federal in the first we can see that there is under this coding, and in here there's drag and drop system. And it's easier to the users to make our apps just with drag and drop system. And the third there is block programming. And block programming is make some logic track and use it using block style. In Coder have to some block programming. There is some similar to something for the users and the RDD Pro one. He can use the block programming. In Coder have to name is some blocks in there is of the two options, and it's logic to use, and we can search and we can ask it to our Google or GPT to our Mac styles, and it's easier to for beginners for the coders communities. Okay, for the second topic there is what is coder. Coder is easy to learn. Why is it to learn? Grad students have a deal of development. In there, there's two easier, there's some tutorials and so many others to make our apps or application in Codula. And it's very easy to almost a beginner to the if he want to make some every app application, some application, he can learn in Codula and he can make some programming code. And second, there is it's free to use. When free to use is you can create app without paying anything, because in there is free access or free gather, and we can create some apps without some paying anything. And that there is first development. The first development is act in minus using simple tool. In there, first development is when we make this, we can train test without some hours is without so fast to see our what we project, and maybe anyone just or using and simple tools. Okay, the third there is Coder filters. The Coder filters have four Coder. There is first UI component. In UI component there is some buttons, image, text, box, and more, and the art of design. And the component have some image. We can put some image in there, and we can put our buttons in the apps and text box and the other of the design what we make. And second, there is a sensor. And sensor coder have use TPS to automate the device of the sensor in our application. In operation like some buttons, and we can click and get sensors of the coder's filters. And third, there is a file of database. And file base of database, it stores and sends data online. In Coder have some filters. There is a database. We can save our data automatically when we already some login to our account in Coder, and this will be get data get store what we already the project. We saving our the project is already get saving because we already have some account in there. And for the fourth, there is extension. In the extension, there is add extension feature by installing external modules. In there, there's some extension. There's is for helping our some programming to make our application to easier, like some extension AI and then the other and extension and the other. This can make easier to our users to make some application use the extension. Okay, for that, there are simple application tutorial. For the first, you can add the component, insert the label in the screen, and first open the code. And second is there is to look some code. Okay. Now we can search in here. Next name is Codera.io, and after you enter it, you can see in here there is some website, and you can scroll, and you can see there is a new enter, and for that you can click the create apps. But because with the apps, you must done to login to your account, and you already setting our password, and there is a creator project. Okay, you can see in here there is name project is name card. In here you can click, and you can see here there is my card, and in here there is some component. There's a vertical arrangement and image and space of it. Vertical arrangement is for space to our text, and there's label to take this text. And in here you can see there is we can search, we can setting your font, what you want to make, and do as Galaxy S, and the other font you can. And in here there is settings, and you can see in here there is the name, there is the card, and then the icon, and you can see there's the name is blue, and then the icon color is red, and then the Android one, then the others, and there's the OK, and in here there is you can if you want to upload your asset or upload your some photo or the other, you can upload in here, or you can drag and drop to here, or upload just in here, and you can check if you already uploaded. You can check in here. There is some asset what you already made. here there is there's some buttons and then some layout and then there is some media and then the other, and you can test test your project, and here there is some code and you can test it here, and after that you can connect to your phone or component, and you can connect this project to application in controller. There is in the Play Store. You can download it and you can scan. So there is, when we start, there is some stuff. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry I had some mistake. And the last I said, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.